Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we have the July Deck of Scarlet palette. This is the edition number 14. Now as you know, if you know anything about Deck of Scarlet, they used to be bi-monthly and now they are putting out palettes every month. You'll get a palette and some kind of a stick product or something like that on the side. So we're going to go ahead and look at the new palette. This is the edition number 14 and the artist-in-chief is Okaylaaa. Now she's on IG and she's also got a YouTube channel which I will link below. And now let's get a look at this palette, guys. Now if you see this, this is the usual palette. You'll get 3 eyeshadows, 2 lip creams, 2 face products, and again something on the side. Now the 3 eyeshadows are absolutely gorgeous. The 2 lip creams, this is something unusual for Deck of Scarlet, which if you know the artist-in-chief, that's why. There is a dark blue shade and there is also a very light nude. Now you can wear that with something else or you can wear it to tame down the blue. And then the 2 face powders, one looks like a bronzer, one looks like a highlighter, a beautiful highlighter with a blue shift to it. Absolutely gorgeous. And next we're going to look at what this looks like to me is a highlighter cream stick. Now I could be wrong on that, but that's what it looks like, a holographic highlighter with a blue shift, blue undertone to it, which really matches this palette just perfectly. I think Okaylaaa done a really nice job on that. So guys, this is the palette, and if you don't know anything about Deck of Scarlet, they are $29.95 every single month, and you will get a palette with eyeshadows, lip creams, also face products, and like I said, you'll get some kind of a makeup stick or something on the side. And it's always going to be made with an influencer off of YouTube. So I think it is really nice that they support some that are not quite on the top, but I think it's a really good subscription service. So if you want to check them out, I will leave them linked below for you to go do so. Get ready for the next palette, the August palette. I can't wait to do that one because I only do these Deck of Scarlets once a month because they don't do spoilers. So what you get is what you get. So as always, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. One more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.